or if that's an example of what folks can look forward to when they're trying to get involved.
Sure, I can highlight a few of the...
Sorry, I fell off the chair.
I guess those wheels are broken, huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a chronic problem for Mr. Bell.
Previously on TWiT. Hands on Mac.
It's time to take a look at some keyboard shortcuts for text selection on macOS. Stay tuned.
All about Android.
You know, those iOS folks have their AirDrop. And you were wondering, wouldn't it be nice if Android had something more like AirDrop? I mean, we already kind of have it, which has sort of been around for a bit, Nearby Share. It's kind of taken another step to be more of a proper AirDrop, competitor with a recent launch of a Windows 10 beta, and it will allow you to share files between your Android devices and your Windows PC.
This Week in Google.
I said, I need a name that sounds like Jeff Jarvis but sounds evil, like an evil twin. And here is what the AI compiled. It said, how about Jexx Javros? It has a similar sound to Jeff Jarvis, but with a more sinister and menacing twist. Jexx Javros.
Well, the Jexx, I think, sounds perfectly bashing.
This is your brain.
Javros.
This is your brain on TWiT. Any questions?
See, every time now I've got this little Jexx Javros sitting on my shoulder, who, depending on what words I'm using.
on one shoulder.
Yeah, Jeff is like, exactly.
Look at your tagline, Jeff. There we go.